children. Good morning everyone. Let's start our class. Okay children, see here. Today I am going to start exercise 1.1 and in that this is our first problem. See here, a factory produced 7,30,458 kgs, 5,24,720 kgs and 6,48,089 kgs, 8,432 kgs of sugar in 4 successive years. See here, these are the amount of sugar in each year. Means in first year, the factory produces this amount of sugar, means 7,30,458 kgs. And in second year, this is the amount of sugar produced in that factory. And in third year, this is the amount produced in that factory, and this is the amount produced in fourth year in that factory. If these are the amounts produced in successive 4 years. Successive means one by one after another, means successive means 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, like that. Okay. Find the total quantity of sugar produced during those 4 years. So here we have to find the total quantity of sugar in that 4 years. Means simply we have to add these sugar amounts. Means we have to add these 4 amounts. Then we got the total amount of sugar, total quantity of sugar produced in those 4 years. Here he is asking for total. See here, this is the first amount, second amount, third amount, fourth amount. So in this question he is asking for total 4 amounts. Means we have to add this. Okay. So see here solution. First of all, quantity of sugar produced in first year. First year and produce the sugar quantity 7,30,458 kg. 7,30,458 kgs. Okay. And the quantity of sugar produced in second year. Second year and produce the quantity. See here, 5,24,720. 5,24,720 kgs. Okay. And in third year means quantity of sugar produced in third year. What is the quantity in third year? 6,48,089 kgs. Okay. And in the last year means fourth year, quantity of sugar produced in fourth year. So what is the quantity in fourth year? 8,432 kgs. Okay. So he is asking for total quantity. Then we have to add these 4 quantities. Okay. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 9. 17 plus 2, 19. So 9 here, 1 is carry, so I am writing here. So I am adding to 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 3, again 19. So 1 I am adding here. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. So 6 here. 1 is carry, I am writing here. So 1 plus 0, 1. Plus 4, 5. Plus 5. 13. 13 plus 0, 13. 3 here, 1 is here. So 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So 1, 0 here, 1 here. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. So what is the total amount of sugar? 27,03,699 kgs. So what is the total amount produced in those 4 years? Total quantity of sugar produced in those 4 years equal to 27 lakhs 3,699 kgs of sugar. Okay children. Okay, see here our second question. There are 2,48,508 men, 1,98,364 women and 1,85,946 children in a town. So these are the population of men, women and children in the town. So we have to find the total population of the town. Okay, so total population means what? We have in that population we have children and men, women. Okay, children, men and women. These are all called the total population. Means Indian population means what? Indian population means in India we have men, women and also children. Okay, this total are called the total population of in India. Okay, so by using these three we have to find the total population by simply adding the numbers. So అక్కడ మనకి టోటల్ మెన్ పాపులేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఉమెన్ పాపులేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు, అలాగే చిల్డ్రన్ పాపులేషన్ కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. సో ఆ త్రీ పాపులేషన్స్ ని యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? టోటల్ టౌన్ పాపులేషన్ అనేది వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మెన్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారమ్మా? 2,48,508. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఉమెన్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 1,98,364. Now number of children. So children ఎంతమంది? 1,85,946. సో మనం ఏమడుగుతున్నాం? టోటల్ పాపులేషన్ అడుగుతున్నాం కాబట్టి సో ఈ త్రీ నెంబర్స్ ని యాడ్ చేసేయండి. సో 8 + 4 12, 12 + 6 18. సో 1 carry. 1 + 0 is 1, 1 + 6 7, 7 + 4 11. So 1 carry. 6 + 3 9, 9 + 9 18. Again 1 carry. 9 + 8 17, 17 + 5 22. Here 2 carry. 2 + 4 6, 6 + 9 15, 15 + 8 23. 2 carry. 2 + 2 4, 4 + 2 6. So what is the total population? 6,32,818. So therefore total population equal to 6,32,880. Okay, children. Okay children, see here I gave two problems as homework. So these two problems are also based on the additions, means we have to add the given numbers. Okay, do these two problems as homework children. Thank you, bye. See you in next class.